Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: why New Zealand is often considered the #1 country to live in. From stunning landscapes to quality healthcare and a strong sense of community, New Zealand has plenty to offer. So, let's dive in and explore the reasons why this beautiful country tops the list. Breathtaking natural beauty. First and foremost, New Zealand is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. The country is adorned with majestic mountains, pristine beaches, lush forests, and crystal-clear lakes. The diverse landscapes make it an outdoor enthusiast's paradise, offering a wide range of recreational activities such as hiking, skiing, and water sports. This unparalleled natural beauty contributes significantly to the high quality of life in New Zealand. High quality of life. When it comes to the quality of life, New Zealand scores high on various parameters. The country boasts a robust healthcare system, ensuring that its citizens have access to top-notch medical facilities and services. Additionally, education is highly valued in New Zealand, with a strong emphasis on providing quality education to its residents. The low crime rate and overall safety contribute to a sense of security, making it an attractive place to raise a family. Strong economy and job opportunities. New Zealand's stable and well-performing economy is another reason why it's a top choice for many. The country is known for its business-friendly environment, making it an attractive destination for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Moreover, New Zealand offers various job opportunities in different sectors, attracting skilled workers from around the world. The work-life balance is also commendable, providing ample time for personal pursuits and family life. Welcoming and diverse culture. One of the defining features of New Zealand is its welcoming and inclusive culture. The Kiwis, as New Zealanders are fondly called, are known for their warmth and hospitality towards immigrants. The country celebrates diversity and multiculturalism, fostering an environment where people from various backgrounds can feel at home and contribute to the society. Environmental sustainability. New Zealand takes environmental sustainability seriously. The country has made significant strides in promoting green practices and reducing carbon emissions. With a strong commitment to protecting its unique biodiversity, New Zealand is actively working towards a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. In conclusion, New Zealand's appeal as the #1 country to live in lies in its spectacular natural beauty. High quality of life, strong economy, welcoming culture, and dedication to environmental sustainability. It's no wonder that this remarkable nation continues to be a top choice for people seeking a fulfilling and enriching life experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on travel, lifestyle, and fascinating destinations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.